Mobile gaming has been around since the dawn of smartphones, but it has never quite been the same as playing on a console or PC, until now. This is Backbone, a device that turns your iPhone into a gaming system with a controller in an instant. Sporting a lightning connector, standard button and joystick layout, this specific one mirroring a PS5, a headphone jack, and a charge port, allowing you to game for hours on end. And the buttons feel really nice. They're very tactile, great clicks, really high quality. The button that stands out the most though is the Backbone button. And when you hit that button, it launches the Backbone app. The Backbone app is free to download and unlocks the full functionality of the controller, allowing you to have a home for all your games from things like PlayStation Remote Play, Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, Apple Arcade, the App Store, and many more. The app also has built-in friends list, party chat, and messaging so you can squad up with your friends anywhere. Launch the PlayStation Remote Play app and link up with your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 and play your PlayStation games anywhere. Of course, only if they're downloaded on the console. I tested out Spider-Man Remastered while linking up to my PlayStation 5, and to my surprise, it ran flawlessly. I was easily getting 60 frames per second, the graphics actually looked incredible, it felt incredibly responsive, and there wasn't really much latency. I literally turned my iPhone into a PlayStation 5. And on the other side of the aisle, you can use Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. Xbox Game Pass Ultimate allows for cloud gaming, which is currently in its beta stage. However, it allows you to play tons of games that are available on Game Pass, and as long as you've got a stable connection, it's actually very impressive. Whether you're doing Forza Horizon 5, Halo Infinite, or Flight Simulator, you're going to be impressed with how the game runs on your iPhone. Pro tip, since the whole Fortnite debacle getting removed from App Store and Google Play Store, this is the way that you can get around playing Fortnite on your iPhone again, thanks to Game Pass. Though the Backbone has a lot of potential, it is not flawless. When setting it up, it wouldn't even let me proceed to finishing the setup until I subscribed to Backbone Plus, which is $40 annually. They did give me my first month for free. However, putting up a paywall just to get me into the application that was free to download, and after spending $100 on the Backbone, was kind of annoying. Another downside is that their marketing is almost exclusively iPhone related. Although, if you have an Android that's running 8.0 or later and supports USB Type-C port, like the Pixel 7 Pro, then you too can utilize the Backbone as long as you get the one that's compatible with Android. Now, I get these marketing strategies since a majority of smartphone users in the US are iPhone-based, but it's still worth noting that there's a larger customer base out there. Overall, I think that the Backbone is an unrivaled product for leveling up the mobile gaming experience, turning your smartphone into a truly performant console, linking you and your friends in new ways, and giving you the best of PlayStation, Xbox, and so much more. So what do you think? Is Backbone for you? Let me know in the comments below. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the next video.